Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix sign up temporarily unavailable issues in ChatGPT. If you're trying to create a new account and see this message, don't worry, here's how to get around it safely. Wait a few seconds and try again. Errors usually appears in when ChatGPT servers are overloaded or undergoing maintenance. It's often temporary and clears up in its own. Next, switch internet connections. Move from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa. Sometimes network triggers security flags that temporarily block signups. Next, what you're gonna do is clear your Safari cookies. Go to settings and then search for Safari. Scroll down and click on clear history and website data. Then click on clear history. This resets any stock season data that could be causing the error. Next, what you're gonna do is restart your iPhone, then restore the ChatGPT app or go to the chat.openai.com in Safari to try signing up again. Next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your app store, search for ChatGPT, and then see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now, privacy tip: only sign up through the official ChatGPT app or chat.openai.com. Avoid using third-party sites or fake sign-up pages. They can steal your information. Quick fix: if it still says temporarily unavailable, log out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Then retry or signing up or try signing up using Google or Apple login instead of email. These methods sometimes bypass temporary blocks. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.